guys, my name is Elena, I'm a graphic designer and welcome to my channel about graphic design. And today I'm going to show you how to draw these Christmas candy. And if you're interested, please keep watching.
We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Okay guys, let's start. Select this color and switch fill to stroke. Now select line with these options. Now select this brush and here 7. Now a little move it like this. Object, expand appearance. Now select fill and red color. Select rectangle tool and we need rectangle with these options. Okay. Now move this rectangle here, transform, rotate, and here 25. Okay. Effect, transform, and here these options and here these. Okay. Now object, expand appearance, move these shapes a little. Okay, now copy and paste this one and bring the copy to front. Select the red shapes and this one and Pathfinder crop. Okay, now select this and move it here. Now we need to create new brush, art brush. Okay, select here only this arrow and okay. Here we have new brush. Now select rectangle tool and let's create rectangle with these options. Okay. Now switch fill to stroke and select direct selection tool, select this line and delete. Okay, now select this tool and add here one anchor. Now again direct selection tool and select this line and delete. Now select these two anchor points and rounded corners. Now select this brush and here we need 1.5. Okay, now object, expand appearance. Okay, you can delete this one. Great. Now select white color and brush tool and draw the line here like this. Oops. Now select this one again and select this brush. Now it's okay. Effect, blur, Gaussian blur, and let it be these options. Okay. Now let's move a little our highlight and you can play with it. Okay, no. Okay, now it's good. Now select this color, switch fill to stroke, brush tool, and let's draw here this line. Now select it, Effect, Blur, Gaussian blur, and 15 is okay. And select Smooth tool and select this shadow and a little smooth it here. Now we need to copy and paste our beige shape. Move this shape here. Now ungroup this and copy and paste this shape and bring to front. Now move here this one and select this and the white and make clipping mask. Okay, now select this color and hold shift and draw this square. Bring to back and again paste our shape and move it here. Now select background and the shape and bring to back. Select this color, opacity, multiply and effect, blur, radial blur, and these options. Okay, and move the shadow a little here. Okay guys, our Christmas candy is ready. That's all for today guys. If you like my tutorial, please give me a like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos about graphic design and in the next tutorials in Adobe Illustrator. Bye bye guys. Mwah.
We wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas, we wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy